The US dollar. So we are pulling into this key area that we wanted to see, right? Remember I said keep an eye on obviously this high low. We look for that stabilization that we're likely to see this pullback, this consolidation right heading into the key next week. Obviously, as we know, guys, it's a big one next week. We have the US CPI, the inflation data coming out next Tuesday. Okay, extremely, extremely important for shaping up the possibility of whether this is going to remain on the cards, a possibility of a July hike or not. Keep an eye, as I said, I wanted to see us grabbing liquidity in this key area here at these lows here, July, and coming into the psychological 150 area, and then coming into and printing a higher low for a continued breakout to the upside. Like we've had these pullbacks, pullback, potential breakout. I would like to see this. Obviously, we're going to be prepared for both scenarios, but I'm leaning towards that this does play out in terms of the upside pressure. The inflation risks, regardless of this, how this figure comes out on Tuesday, the inflation risks are back. You know, the fighting is back and forth between US and Iran right now, which obviously Kevin Walsh last week said that inflation risks obviously have eased, but they're back because obviously this fighting. And then when you look at oil prices are leaning back to the upside again. I know we've pulled back a little bit there yesterday, but we've bounced, right? It's almost like this big breakout, retest. I'm going to try and push through this gap again, you know, and if we get a bullish engulfing today, and obviously this will be the closure of the week, that'll be reversal candlestick, bullish engulfing, and set for some further potential upside pressure. And obviously if oil prices push to the upside, if Strait of Hormuz closes, that's inflation risk back on the table. So anyway, this is all very much noteworthy as themes of influences, external influences over the dollar. So keep an eye on this. Guys, for ongoing analysis, trade ideas, all that good stuff, I'm going to be dropping a lot of heat this weekend, a lot of heat for the KenMacro desk. So if you want to get access to that for this week, for the coming week, with the value, the trade ideas, the scenarios, the breakdowns, everything, the education, you can have access to all that for life. All you have to do is, you know, I'm sure you're trading with brokers, personal accounts as well. Check out the links below with either Blueberry Markets or Star Trader. Follow through with the process to get signed up. Quick, easy, simple. Trustworthy ecosystems to trade with. These are providers that we use. Then let us know when you've set up. We'll get you set up, ready for the new week to get access to everything. Okay? Value. Value. Links are below for that. Otherwise, catch your next update.